Alright, what is up everybody? So, I've been getting a few questions about this golden fuel line that I've been using on the motorcycle, and decided I was going to share the recipe. So originally I had seen this on some of the Baja bikes and also on some of the stuff in Dakar. So scored myself some of that Tygon fuel line, and then also some DEI gold foil tape, little filter you see there in the picture. So anyway, this is going to be the recipe on how I did it to insulate the fuel from the heat, radiant heat. So check the video out, let me know what you think. On to the next. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is get yourself some of that DEI gold foil tape. You can choose the different widths. This right here is the 2-inch by like 30-inch yard roll or whatever it is. You're going to need some of Target's finest isopropyl alcohol or some kind of cleaning solvent. And you're going to clean the hose off really good. Here you're going to measure more or less the diameter of it. Then you're going to cut. Make sure you get a little bit of overlap there. I'm going to start wrapping the foil. Notice the way that the foil's facing. Wrap it around nice and neat. The seam ends up hiding, kind of hard to see. Take the other one, make sure you get a little bit of overlap there on the right, and coil it the other way around. You're going to have that line. So super quick, super simple, not that hard to do.